Welcome to Great Mats TV, where you can expect great service. Today, I'm going to be talking about wall pads. Wall pads are designed to protect against head injury on hard surfaces. Wall pads generally have 2 inches thick foam and are made in a 2 by 6 foot panel. The pads are either lip top and bottom for a direct connect installation type or Z-clip for a removable installation. The lip top and bottom feature will have a flange on the mat on the top and the bottom that it will allow a screw to be directly screwed through the panel to the surface of the wall. A concrete wall, you can use a Tapcon. Now for a stud wall, you'll need to put a furring strip on the wall first in order to connect the pads. The Z-clip installation is really only used when the mats need to be removed frequently. These vinyl covered wall pads are generally designed for indoor use for athletic spaces and safe rooms. For outdoor use, we do make a special outdoor rated wall pad for baseball fences and walls. These wall mats are custom made to order in the USA. Most wall mats have a wood backing with a foam center and a vinyl exterior wrap. The wall mats can be made in sizes ranging from 8 foot tall to 4 foot wide. The mats come in a variety of colors, and custom graphics are very popular with schools and gyms. Most graphics are provided by the customer. Custom pads can be created from CAD-approved drawings when needed to fit around windows or corners. We offer free design consultation and free CAD design assistance. Great Mats also offers custom pull pads, column pads, soft pads, and stage pads. Many of our wall pads are installed in quiet rooms in schools and offices. Class A fire-rated pads are available where needed. Please visit our website for free samples, installation instructions, or call one of our knowledgeable sales associates. Thanks for watching.